Alright, from last time, there's a few more changes over here, and I think you'll like the changes. I just added a little bit more. Don't remember. Yes, right. Yeah. So we're gonna go to art first. Wabi Sabi. That's funny. I was born no. I was born in America, but my mom and dad is Korean. So what does that call you? I don't know. No. I don't know. I don't know what that's. All right. So we have a few more left. So we're gonna start with this one, which um, you know, we have a few more we have to go through. So that's gonna be so much fun. All right. So we're just gonna make this bigger and take a picture of this one, and hopefully this one is okay too. So oh shit. All right. So we're gonna fuck. Uh, where's my? All right, that looks good. All right, that's good. That will be added to here. Maybe another, maybe 2x2 this time. Search image, upload for computer. Is it this one? No, that's not that one. That's good enough too. Let's go another one. Insert table. And insert image, upload for computer. That looks good too. Huh. So, write about this. And I'm pretty sure this should take up the whole page. So, we're just going to make it completely pick up the whole page. So, that sounds good, right? A few more art pieces. Right. Light affected this. Alright, sounds good. Oh my god, that may be a little bit too awkward. Oh, that's fine. Whatever. I'm just starting to put that there. It's the worst picture I could possibly have taken, but we'll go with it. It's the art place, so it literally doesn't really matter. Alright, so we're gonna put more art down. More out there. One of them needs to be glued together, so I'm not gonna do that one. Let's do this one. And this one we need 4 different pages, so we'll say insert table by 2x4. I think that's the best option for this one. So unlike the other ones, this one has many different facets, so I have to be careful about how I arrange it. Like this. Sounds good for one place. Now we just need to flip it to here. Here we need to formulate it down. We actually might want to screenshot more of these down. Oh wait, that's not close enough. No, and then this one is supposed to be like a trophy. Light makes it a little bit weird. I should do the same trick. Last place over here. It's supposed to be like a hilt and a morbid face. It should work. It didn't turn out great. Let me put it out there to delete this real quick. And let's just do this. Should do this. I should do good. So with that, I can insert image, hopefully correctly. So this one would work correctly. Insert image above the computer. This one would work. Oh, that's horrible. No, that won't work. Image. So the second one would work. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a trophy. Image, image above computer. Fourth one would work. The last one I need to edit a little bit. Right, so it's gonna be the last one. Insert image upload for computer. Bit one. And that worked really well. So yeah, I'm gonna stop there and pause it for the next video, the next part. Great. What else is there? Maybe I should make this a little bit. Ah, yeah, that still looks good. Enough. Mm, I know they look horrible on purpose. Alright, let's do calculus questions. We'll start with A, B, and go to B, C. Redfish content first, after all. I just realized how much of a pain math is to actually draw because most of them is going to be graph based. I mean, yeah, it is a pain in the ass. Some of these are memorized as simple, which is great. I think the first thing we need to do is make a new image. Image sounds nice. So no, drawing, never. Let's go drawing and let's do limits. Never did it like this before. The limit of 4. Did that work? I don't know. I'll make a retarded graph. I realize now that just doing arrows here is way easier. One day I'm gonna have to use what do you call it? Not Desmos. I forgot. Who knows? What the hell did I want to say again? It was not Desmos. It was Google Jamboard. But there's a problem with Jamboard, and I don't want to deal with that right now. there also seems to be a problem with this. Well, it doesn't really want me to go down like this. But it worked eventually. And I'll put 4 over here. You know what? There should be easier way than doing this. I don't know. Excel sheets. That might work well. I don't know. Microsoft Word is so superior if you didn't know. I think maybe I'll get that and transfer all this into Microsoft Word. Because I've seen those work way better and I have it in my personal Chromebook. And it seems to work most of the time. Way better than Google Docs. But Google Docs is free. That's where I use this for now. For now, I'll use this, but later on, maybe not. So already I can tell that this is not going well. Well, for now, at least. They might change the programming to make this easier. Find the limit of that. A 0, B 3, 6, 7, 9, D. Obviously, if it's sitting at 0, it's going to be 0, so therefore 0 can't be anything else. No, just to incentivize it to 0, there will be no number that is on the chart that you can perceivably get except for 0, because 0 means nothing. Hopefully. Hopefully. Let's look at chapter 1 of my differential equation. Oh yeah, limits are first. Even though this is BC, we're going with AB first. And over here we'll have BC. Oh, it's not working really well, is it? And then we'll just do insert heading 1, calculus BC. And with that, you have both of them kind of like, okay, so there's A, B, and BC later. And then we'll do insert format table 3 by 3. And then that looks good, right? We have all of it all configured. Like BC, you start out with, if I look over here, I'm pretty sure you start with, let me just say, it's not the scope of this class, but therefore we don't really care too much. I'm just checking it. Here's the thing. Usually in college, it's calculus 1, calculus 2, calculus 3. We're not going by that rule. Yeah. We might have to, might have to learn that soon. So chapter 3 goes back. Oh wow, actually my BC book starts with going back to AB stuff. You know what that means? You know what that means. Make it a fucking hard question to make it impossible for anyone to actually get it. But let me go to equations because golly, without this equation button, I'll be dead. So we're gonna go to limits A to B. I love doing this. X to 0. We usually go with 0. And then we will go into our why not? And then just to be a jerk about it, we'll do another one. Just to be a little bit more of a jerk. And let's find an impossible equation that we can put in here that will kill the red lights out of him and maybe even do law hop later. But the first unit doesn't have law hop, unfortunately. So I cannot do what I'm hoping to do, uh, which is plain old evil. But because the hop is BC requirement, so I'll make it semi simple. Perfect fraction first. At the bottom we'll have x by 4. Um, Nothing too hard. There's nothing this inflexible yet. Um, and we'll do x over 1 because we can. It's not 0 over 0, and it has a number. We can agree that that is logical for now. And then we'll ask sine 1. Um, Sine x. And just be a little bit more of a jerk with the square by the minus. So let's go to Desmos and just put that equation because even now I don't know what equation I just made. So uh, uh, graphic calculator, thank you. Let's just do B. God damn it. I think it's division here. So this part over here is part of a divisional base. This part over here was some kind of this space. Obviously, the way you figure it out is way different, but I'm too lazy to actually do my work. 2, and then fucking y, 4, x, and yes, that is totally possible. Totally possible. Look at that. It works. This equation I just randomly made is it's a squeeze theorem. No, it's not, because of the middle is no longer squeezed. It was gonna be squeezed until you look over here where it says not squeezed, because gonna got an answer here. So it'll be disentangible in these two sections, which is incredibly stupid, but yeah. So how would you actually solve that? Let me go to the Jamboard, because at this point, that's good practice for anyone. It's a good Jamboard. No, that's not the Jamboard I want. Actually, we could just go over here to our first Jamboard. It's no longer some pre-calculus if I do this. And nope, random. It's no longer unit 2. It's not algebra. Random stuff. Except for the first one. The first one does have content heavy rules that involve it, and I'm not willing to change that. But this is basically just stuff at this point. Calculus. Let's go to calculus. And because right now it's so nearby, let's just try to figure out the answer, because we do not want a ridiculous shitty answer like that. That would be horrible. So let's go over here. Images, upload for browser. We might need to get more Jamboards up here. Just saying. So this one over here, and I don't have my pen anymore because it's useless here now. X, oh fuck. As you can see, this is why I haven't been using Jamboard, because I don't have a way to use this properly anymore. I use a pen here usually, but no, I can't do that anymore. So we can split this into 2, right? This is 2 different equation. 1, and then you can just go with 2 over here, right? Let me just erase that funny part. So it's gonna be one equation and two equation over here. One equation, two equation over here. So, yeah. So we could, if we could plug it in and get the answer. Oh wait, this is easy. This is actually 4, and then you get -7, so it's gonna be -7, and then it's gonna be 0, right? So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's just cancelled out, because this is 0. So wrong answer. So it's gonna be 4 over 7, -4 over 7. Is that the same answer? Let me get to -4 divided by 7. Where's that? -5. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. So that's the answer. Oh, shenanigans. So -4 divided by 7 is the answer. 4 divided by 7. You should know this stuff. And by BC, you should know this stuff, right? So who knows? 3, 5. Well, next year, and then we could just do 4. Do we know yet about L'Hopital rule? No, but you do know about squeeze theorem. And infinities. Yeah, at that point you should know about infinities too. Oh, just a test trail on the new questions. So we'll still just stick with this part over here. Because that's what we're going to do. This part over here, we can. Yeah, math is super weird. The way you're going to explain math is that you have to explain every single step because no one will understand you. Shenanigans, bullshit. But lucky for me, I don't know what to say. There's a few. There's a special also cosine that you have to learn from AB. That you don't have to learn for BC. Here between. Also need basic derivatives. Fudge. I'm thinking right now how I'm gonna do this because it's so much work. I would now the Jamboard to write this down. Because I need to use my finger, or I need to use my other skills in Jamboard now because shenanigans afoot. I can't do any more of these close, like really good work. This is all done because I have a pen I can do. But no longer I have a pen. So that sounds like an excuse, which it is. So I'm just gonna move on and do other stuff like this, and then hopefully it works. Fuck. Fuck me. I'm so dead. I'm joking. So we are going for a rule, right? So rule rule of limits. Not rules. It's called laws. These limits. These limits. And let's just say, let's do something fancy that we never use for anything. So I never use dots as anything more than fillers. So it should be obvious that dots, let's do poly dots, are not considered part of the. Let's just bring it back to regular 11. Is this 11? Yes. No wonder I thought it was sharp. Stars? No. Too fancy. weirdos. Let's look at this. Check marks. Ooh. Check marks could be something like this is true, this is true, this is false. I could do multiple false. Um, because check mark is check mark. Oh, I love that. Okay, we're gonna do that for something else, but you also need something else. Stars. Oh, no. You're gonna do it like this. You're gonna have stars over here. You're gonna have. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, and then we're gonna do a new equation here, and we're gonna put the limit of x equals 0 because it's really common to do. Then we'll say do this. You know what? Just to be a troll, we'll do a O to confuse the audience a little bit. Sine. No, O sounds really bad. You know what? V for victory. No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever lands out, I will kill the ass and make it the answer. So we'll say age. So it's a E. We choose E. No, we can't choose E. Computer. Alright, so, and then we'll just say, ooh, so we'll say 5. Then we'll say R. Putting down the R here would equal 5, which is 2. There's also one with cosine. I need to find that out in my book. If I don't find that book out, I will be toasting myself into the graveyard because I have to find out myself. Oh, I love this one. The equation limit. We can go limit here. Where should we go from? X to infinity, maybe? Yeah, let's go infinity. 1. Fuck, I hate doing this all the time. I mean, why can't you be like Desmos? Equals, wait, equals what? I forgot. 0, right? Equals 0, yeah. I think it goes to 0. You got response infinity. So, yes, that's true. Another, oh, that's fucked up. Okay. I'm so tired. There's one more we need. We could talk about infinities all day long. Yeah, we can do that one too. New limits. X to infinity. Can we use Desmos? We can, because technically speaking, that's my work. It's just I'm using a program and just have to give credit to the what site I'm using program to use that. I'm pretty sure that's how credit works, right? Then we can go down here. Yeah, right? That's what I remember. It's a 10. That's too big of a number. I think 10 is good enough that it would just fuzz out a little bit. We'll do fuck. 49. Then we'll just do x square root of 2 minus that equals 10. Oh shit. 10 divided by 49. So let's do all of them are true. All of them are true. The what? Oh, I don't know. The limits are. I don't know. The limits are. I don't know. I really don't know. Um. Um. Oh shit! This is wrong. This needs to be a 3. Or no way. They are all wrong. And let's see if that's the question. Just bubble in that. Bubble in. Just make a check mark. Why would you want to bubble in? Let's see if there's a bubble in. Ooh, let's do a tab. No. It doesn't work like that, man. So you have to do a space tab. It worked. Okay, good, Gucci. Can I make this? Yeah, that didn't work out well. Sorry, I was not paying attention. My battery's almost out. Ugh, of course it's out. I've been doing random shit. Again, this is just for fun. Excuse me. Which is why I don't care if I did this or that. As long as I spent more than 30 hours. Here's a trick. If it's more than like an hour long, 5 seconds in, they will not watch it. And that's my plan. Do not watch this shenanigans. It's crap. Alright. Let's go to Wabi Sabi. No. This is how I study for every single class, so this is how I'm gonna do it for the probably when I go to college too. Because all knowledge is good knowledge. Let's face it, it's true. Actually, there is a way we can make this easier. Nah, we're not going to do calculus 1, calculus 2. We're just going to make a new section about calculus 1, calculus 2, calculus 3. That's how it's going to work. I'm going to kill myself one day because of how stupid that sounds like. Because I don't know how they're older, because I remember just saying right now that they teach the same thing. Yeah? Except for like one difference about the H thing, signed H or something. That's how I remember it. Okay. Am I right? Am I wrong? Not like anyone cares, but eh. Enough. Oh yeah, there's also D and E. Okay, I think I gave you enough hints that when this happens, I'm just putting in equations, right? Infinity and beyond. Not gonna say more than that. And let's just do what? Say more than that. 3 sine. No. So limit of something with sine or cosine will do the trick. Why don't we do cosine 5, 7, 4, parentheses, shenanigans. It doesn't really matter, if you know what I mean, because equal D and E. And then what we will do is, now, so I just searched it up to various sites. The last one is gonna be 0. I know there's a few more. There's actually a lot more, like the E1, which I'm not even sure if it's AB or BC. I'm just gonna put in AB because I don't remember. But there's also this special one with the. So I believe this is how it does it. I don't quite remember, so I'm gonna double check my math. But if I am anyways correct, that should be it. And the way I check it is simple. Go over here, go to decimals, go enter. Oh, shit is fudge. They really need to make this accept different things. But yeah, oh, because x equals 0, it will continuously be 0. Does this equal 0? Yes, it does. It keeps on making it 0. Oh wait, that means this could be here at 3 inside, yeah. Does this make it 0? Okay, that changes things. So, that actually kind of makes sense if you know anything about trig. So, if you know anything about trig, it does actually. No, that's wrong. Because of the amplitude, it makes sense. It does make sense. I'm not gonna lie. But again, actually, this could be a 4 tier one. So, guess what? So, if we're gonna do this, we'll just do the same thing here. I'll fix that later. So here we'll delete that and we'll explicitly say that 1 is the one, because we know it's that one. It's because due to squeeze theorem. Ooh, do we have to memorize the well, I kind of do actually, but two of them are using squeeze theorem to get to 0. Remember, there could be more than one answer, right? Uni happens because they cannot determine one answer, and they are all correct. They're all true. I should write. Can I write Can I put this in here? Oh shit! You can. Oh, I didn't know that. Enter special characters box. It doesn't work out. Small white box, does that work? No. Insert special character. Let me get this more correct. Yeah, that's more correct. I forgot the line in the middle. means get all the right answers. Alright, I don't like how it is not aligned to the bottom. And then we'll just prioritize it. And honestly, the recording is getting that should do the trick. New one added here. So, there are if they have the same the highest no, the biggest power equation 3 is what the limit follows. Get it anything that is lower. Well, I don't know. How do you figure out that one? I forgot what theorem that is. There is a sign rule that says that if there is sign on top with a side and is inside the coefficient of that variable inside the side is the limit. There's a sign rule that says that if there is a certain variable that can change it. I want to also check something. I always want to check this out a long time ago. If sine x is divided by x, we have 1. What happens if you multiply by 2? Okay, so 2, 3. Let's just check this real quick. Oh, right. Oh, so divide by 3. They can change this. Now, only thing dividing, I'm not gonna say anything, it in the bottom. I don't really care about that. If this is longer than a page, then whatever is in the coefficient of that variable inside the side limit is the limit. Yeah. Inside. Or let's divide the bottom. Then whatever is the coefficient of the variable inside the side is the limit. Yes. Alright. That's correct. Did we do all the limits? I hope we did because my brain is like saying, please stop, please stop. Okay, so we're starting here. They are all wrong. It's wrong. So everything over here is right. They are all wrong. It's always going to be wrong. So everything on top, you can check mark it right now. Um, so yeah, so far it seems like um, I forgot to put something here. Let's put some x by the square root of 3 outside 2. And let's put, just for giggles, plus x. So, oh my, that is a problem if it doesn't show up correctly. Let's do this. And just subtract 1 minus from it just to get it into the equation correctly. So decimals is saving my butt because I'm trying to figure everything out. And ooh, this is fun. Ooh, thank you, decimals. Because I have my graphing calculator, but I don't know where I put it. I think I have it in my backpack, maybe. So that's what I have done so far. Horrible questions, I know. And probably way worse question than what you have the teacher give or the prep book. So I'm just doing this by studying now. So good luck on your own part. Um, you know, I, I hope you don't actually take this as something that you can go and pass your AP exam. That'd be funny if someone just uses this and said, "Hey, I can pass my AP exam." Oh, laugh hard at them because this is not meant to pass the AP exam. It's meant to torture you as hell later on. Right now, it's going easy crap because I'm trying to make it obvious that it's kind of teaching you and kind of not. It is teaching you, but so we're gonna do this is point A. This is point A. Point A. TV. Point B. And then point C. And the only thing left is to actually draw the points. So I'm thinking of doing the dots again, like long time ago. Those horrible dots. Yeah, those dots. So that's point A. But as you know, when you have a discrete C, you need to put a circle here, which is still part of point A. But you need to put a circle there, or it's not considered a point. That's considered a point. So the last point is going to be over here. Then when to save it, um, uh, this point, and I'll just do the checklist. This one. Point A is a discontinuity. Right. Point B is a continuity. Point C is a continuity. They're all two and they're all long. Oh, that works out perfectly. I don't like the placement of this, so we would change it a little bit like that. And just to troll them a little, I think we're gonna do line curve here. We're gonna do just to make it seem possible that we're just continuing it a little bit over there. And and then just do that, and then that makes it easier. Well, that makes it a better graph, Surgical. That's not how I wanted it, but maybe like this. Ooh, I like that one. Ooh, I like that one. Let's copy that. Yeah, that looks like rain of arrows. I like that. I'm gonna follow that. Nah, I'll probably forget about it. So yeah, they're all correct for now. Am I forgetting something? These limits. There's a few more. I promise you, they'll go faster eventually. Unless it's an hour long, and then we'll stop. No, it's almost an hour long. So it looks like I'm almost stopping now. So there's also a limit here. And we'll do L, sure, why not? And then we'll go to what kind of limit is this? Infinity or is it zero? Fuck. It's E we're doing, right? Can you graph E equal Y? Oh, yeah. No, that's the wrong one. I'm not looking for that. I forgot. I forgot that Y over something like that is still fucking that same thing. Oh, that's a tricky one. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's not true. If equal e to the x. Oh, sorry about that. That's not what I'm supposed to do. No. I meant to do this. Yeah, it does change. It's the y to the x, therefore there is a slope. I knew there's a slope. I don't know then. I have to pause. Okay, I don't remember any of the proper rules, so we'll stop here.